Bala's Journal Summer Special Series. Hi guys, welcome to Bala's Journal. Today we are going to make a simple coffee milkshake or cold coffee. This is a very easy recipe and this is especially for coffee lovers. Now let's see the ingredients. First, we need an instant coffee powder. You guys can use any brand you like. I'm using the brand Brew. Then we need 1 full glass of cold milk and a Hershey's chocolate syrup. And we also need sugar and 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Now let's see how to make our cold coffee or coffee milkshake. Let's get started. Now let's see how to make our cold coffee. First, take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of your coffee mix. And then 1 tablespoon of your sugar. And then like 3 to 4 teaspoons of warm water. So then we can mix it until it dissolves. Now let's mix it until it dissolves. Now our mix is ready. Let's add it into the blender. First take your blender and add it. Now take your mix and add. Now add your ice cream. Now add your chocolate syrup. It'll give extra richness. Now let's blend it. Now take a little chocolate syrup and decorate your glass. Now, let's pour our cold coffee or coffee milkshake. It smells so good and looks so delicious. So, if you guys want, you guys can add your leftover ice cream for the decoration and for extra taste or chillness. And we can also decorate it with our Hershey's syrup. Looks so good. Now our cold coffee or coffee milkshake is ready. If you guys think this coffee milkshake looks very yummy and delicious, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.